Hey there, fellow learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating topic that might have left you scratching your heads at some point. Why political science called as science, even though it's a part of the humanities? Let's unravel this intriguing mystery together. Alright, so before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand what we are dealing with. Political science is the study of government systems, political behavior, and the way societies make decisions. On the other hand, science typically deals with systematic and evidence-based investigation of natural and social world. The science element in political science. Now, here is where things get interesting. Despite being a part of the humanities, political science proudly carries the label of science. Why? Well, it's all about the way political scientists approach their subjects. Number 1. Systematic study. Just like scientists in other fields, political scientists use systematic methods to study their subjects. They develop theories, gather data, and analyze patterns to draw conclusions about political processes and behaviors. Number 2. Empirical research. The science part of political science is also about empirical research. This means that political scientists rely on evidence, real-world data, to support their theories and arguments. They conduct surveys, analyze historical records, and examine case studies to back up their claims. Applying scientific principles. Now, it's important to remember that science is not confined to test tubes and microscopes. Scientific principles can be applied to various fields, including the study of human behavior and social structures. Number 1. Predictive power. Political science aims to predict and explain political phenomena, just like scientists predict natural events. By using past data and patterns, political scientists make educated guesses about how governments might react to certain situations or how voters might behave in an election. Constant refinement. Much like scientific theories evolve based on new discoveries, political theories are refined as we gain a deeper understanding of political systems and human behavior. Political scientists constantly update their knowledge with new data and insights. Interdisciplinary nature. Another reason political science is called as science is because it draws from various disciplines. It's not just about history or philosophy, but also incorporates elements of sociology, economics, psychology, and more. However, it's important to note that not everyone agrees with this terminology. Some argue that calling political science a science can be misleading, as it may imply a level of precision and predictability that is not always attainable in the messy world of politics. Others feel that the term science might oversimplify the complexity of human behavior and social systems. So there you have it. The term political science might seem a bit puzzling at first, but it reflects the rigorous and evidence-based approach that political scientists take in studying political systems and behaviors. While it's a part of humanities, the science in political science captures the systematic, empirical, and predictive elements that make it a unique and valuable field of study. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Until next time, keep questioning and keep learning.